Want a bakery-style sponge cake at home? Soft, airy, and melt in your mouth. Today on Yummy Foodies, let's bake the perfect vanilla sponge cake. Crack 4 eggs into a large mixing bowl. Add 80 grams of powdered sugar and whisk using an electric beater until pale and fluffy. Cold eggs don't whisk well. Always use room temperature eggs for maximum volume. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that rich aroma. Mix well. If you don't have vanilla extract, a few drops of rose essence or cardamom powder gives a desi twist. Sift in 60 grams of flour. Fold gently into the batter. Don't overmix. Folding gently keeps the batter airy and prevents a dense cake. Transfer the batter into a greased cake tin. Use a toothpick to remove air bubbles. Then tap the tin twice on the table. Tapping helps even baking and prevents big holes inside the cake. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once baked, let the cake cool completely. Cooling prevents the cake from breaking and makes slicing neat. Run a knife along the sides. Flip onto a plate and peel off the baking sheet. Your soft, fluffy vanilla sponge cake is ready. Enjoy it plain or layer it with cream and fruits. This sponge is a perfect base for birthday cakes. Just add whipped cream and toppings. Like, share, and subscribe for Yummy Foodies. More tasty tips and recipes.